Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something truly fascinating: what money might look like in 2030. Imagine a world where your wallet isn't just a piece of leather, your bank isn't just a building down the street, and cash isn't something you even touch. Money is evolving, and the next decade promises changes that could completely redefine how we work, spend, and save. So, let's take a journey into the future of money and explore the technologies, trends, and social shifts that could shape our financial world by 2030. First, let's consider what money actually is. At its core, money is a tool, a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. It's a concept that has evolved over thousands of years. From barter systems to coins, paper currency, and digital money. By 2030, we might not just be talking about digital wallets or contactless payments, we could be entering a phase where the very concept of money as a physical or even a traditional digital currency is changing. One of the most exciting aspects of the future of money is the rise of digital currencies, particularly central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. These are government-issued currencies that exist entirely in digital form, designed to complement, or in some cases, replace, traditional banknotes. Imagine opening an app and seeing your national currency stored there securely, with transactions happening instantly, without the need for intermediaries like banks. Countries like China are already experimenting with their digital yuan, and many other nations are running pilot programs to see how digital currencies can improve efficiency, reduce fraud, and provide financial inclusion to people who have historically lacked access to banking services. Alongside government-backed digital currencies, we have the explosion of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a growing number of newer digital assets. While cryptocurrency has been around for just over a decade, its influence on global finance is growing exponentially. By 2030, it's likely that cryptocurrencies or blockchain-based assets will not only be a common investment choice but might even become a standard method of transaction for certain goods, services, and international trade. This opens a fascinating conversation about decentralization. Unlike traditional money, which is controlled by banks or governments, decentralized currencies operate independently, governed by algorithms and networks of users. This could fundamentally shift the balance of financial power, giving individuals more control over their own wealth while reducing reliance on centralized financial systems. But what does this mean for everyday transactions? Picture yourself in 2030 walking into a coffee shop. You won't reach for cash or even your debit card. Instead, your payment could happen automatically through a wearable device, like a smartwatch or a smart ring, or even through biometric authentication. Your fingerprint, your retina, or your heartbeat could act as your personal signature for transactions. This may sound futuristic, but pilot programs using biometric payments are already being tested around the world. The advantage is clear: transactions become faster, more secure, and frictionless, leaving you more time to focus on the things that matter. We also can't ignore the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the future of money. AI is already transforming how we manage finances through algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and personalized financial advice. By 2030, AI could be deeply integrated into everyday financial transactions, predicting spending patterns, optimizing investments, and even preventing financial crises before they happen. Imagine your bank alerting you to a potential overspend before it occurs, or automatically reallocating funds to maximize returns while minimizing risk. While this level of integration raises concerns about control and autonomy, it also promises a level of efficiency that's unprecedented in human history. Then there's the concept of the global digital economy. By 2030, we could see money flowing seamlessly across borders. Blockchain and decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms could allow instant cross-border payments with minimal fees, challenging traditional banking models and reshaping global trade. This opens up opportunities for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and businesses to operate internationally without the friction of currency conversion, international wire transfers, or long settlement times. A freelance designer in Pakistan could get paid instantly by a client in Germany without relying on traditional banks, just a digital wallet and the global network. But with all these innovations, security becomes paramount. Cybersecurity threats are evolving just as rapidly as financial technology. Digital currencies, AI-driven financial systems, and connected devices all introduce new vulnerabilities. By 2030, we may rely heavily on advanced encryption, quantum-resistant security protocols, and continuous monitoring to protect the digital economy. This isn't just a technical challenge, it's also a societal one, because trust is the foundation of money. People need to believe that their money is safe, whether it's physical cash or a fully digital currency in the cloud. Finally, we can't ignore the social and cultural implications of these changes. Money isn't just a medium of exchange, it's deeply tied to how we think, behave, and interact with one another. As money becomes more digital, programmable, and integrated with AI, our relationship with wealth may shift. People might value access and experiences over ownership, or adopt new models like subscription-based living or microtransactions for daily life. Financial literacy will become even more critical, as understanding digital finance, smart contracts, and decentralized systems will be essential for participating fully in the economy. By 2030, the future of money could be a fascinating blend of the tangible and the intangible, the human and the automated, the personal and the global. Physical cash may still exist in pockets, but digital currencies, programmable money, AI-driven financial systems, and global connectivity will dominate. The rules of finance may be rewritten, creating opportunities for innovation, inclusion, and empowerment, but also challenges in privacy, security, and regulation. The question is no longer just about how we earn or spend money, it's about how we interact with a dynamic, intelligent, and borderless financial ecosystem. So, as we look ahead to 2030, it's clear that money as we know it is evolving faster than ever before. Are you ready to embrace digital wallets that think for you, currencies that move instantly across the globe, and AI that guides your financial decisions? The future is closer than you think, and the way we perceive, use, and value money will likely be unrecognizable compared to today, and that's where we leave you for now. We'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you imagine money in 2030? Will you embrace fully digital currencies, or do you think cash will make a comeback in some form? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the future of our world. Your support helps us keep exploring these fascinating topics and bringing them straight to you.